Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and carrier allowances. Some phones accept 2 physical SIMs plus 1 eSIM, others use hybrid trays. Once done, label each SIM as A, B, C so you can map lines quickly. Make sure you have carrier activation info, APN settings, and unlock PINs. This prevents delays during insertion. Insert physical SIMs into correct trays now, then boot the phone so you can follow on-screen eSIM activation steps without interruptions. You will now assign roles. Open Settings, go to SIM and Network, and set which SIM handles voice, SMS, and mobile data. Because 2 services can conflict, prioritize the one with better data for internet use and the other for calls. This reduces dropped data sessions. Once set, configure network mode. Select 4G or 3G per SIM, and input APN values if the carrier did not provision automatically, so data and MMS work reliably. You finish by systematically testing each SIM, place calls, send SMS, and use data from the assigned SIM to confirm service. If a SIM fails, toggle airplane mode, reboot, and reassign default services so the phone renegotiates networks. Often that clears registration problems. If problems persist, remove and reseat the SIM, check for carrier locks or pending firmware updates, and call carrier support with ICSID and error details so they can verify provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.